we want to look at how to the pattern fill. If you have something like this and you want to fill it with some kind of pattern you've seen somewhere, first of all, Inkscape 1.0 or Inkscape in general provides we with predefined patterns. So you can get to these predefined patterns by going to objects and then object fill and stroke. When you press it, this pops up, and then you can choose. You go to pattern here, and then this is a predefined pattern. You can also go through and choose whichever pattern you want. They have other predefined pattern, but let's assume that you don't like this pattern and you want to generate your own pattern. What you can do is that first of all you have to do your pattern, and then you can put it in here. Let's say I want to generate a pattern. I rather want maybe squares or rectangles. I want squares like this in my pattern, and I want to do a pattern inside these squares. So what's all okay, this is okay. I would take this, and then first of all maybe I give it a fill. I fill it with maybe some yellow color. Now what you have to do is to go to object, pattern, object to pattern. Now this thing here, Inkscape generates this as a pattern. So if you come to this where you chose some things here, we chose some things like chose this, it generated one and puts it at the fair, normally on top. So now I select the object that I want this pattern here to appear in. So I come here and select this object, this whole place. I now want to replace it with the pattern that I generated. So you come and choose it, and look, now this is how the pattern came. Remember, whatever thing you do here and you do objects, and then you go to pattern, objects to pattern, it appears in this fill here, here and there on top of their predefined patterns. And now in case you want to adjust something here, all you need is to go to the node tool here, and then you can maybe adjust them. You'll be seeing some holes here, so you can, you can adjust things with this. You can adjust things with this. You can move this around. Now let's go on and generate another pattern. Now let's say we want to use maybe a circle. We can change the color if we want. We go and select it, and then we choose, we change it to blue for example. And now in the same light we go to object, pattern, object to pattern. Now it creates another pattern in the list, which is, I would say this is the topmost. Maybe I'm mistaken. When it creates it, is this one, because when it creates it, it puts it here so you can see. So it's advisable to go to open this dialog before you do it, so you know. Now I come here and select my objects. The selection tool is already on. Now I want to choose this pattern. So you see the pattern. Now this is what you get with the pattern. In case you don't want it and you want to go back, you just go to objects, pattern, pattern to objects, and then it freezes. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel. Bye.